In this video, I'll show you how to place a video inside text in Canva. Open Canva and create a new project. Go to the Text tab, add a heading, and type your desired text. Customize the font, size, and style to your preference. Next, go to the Effects tab and select Backgrounds. Set the roundness to 0, adjust the spread, and change the color to black. Set the text color to white for contrast. Then, go to the Share, click Download to save this text design. Delete all elements on the page. Go to the Uploads tab, click Upload Files, and add your video. Drag the video onto the page. Now, drag and drop the downloaded text design over the video. Resize and position it to cover the area where you want the video to show through. Click the text layer and use the BG Remover tool to delete the background. Next, go to the Elements tab. Add a square shape from the Elements tab. Set its color to black. Resize it to fill the edges of the page and adjust its position. That's it. Your video now plays inside the text. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.